How to stake on Ethereum easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing how you can stake Ethereum, what are the different ways that you can stake, what kind of methods would yield you the most profits, and what kind of risk do you have with staking. So let's get into it. Now, staking is a method where you hold your crypto and you stake it on any platform or liquidity or exchange. And it basically means, in a simple way, it could mean that you're lending money. And there are multiple different ways that you can stake Ethereum. And first off, it is going to be on a exchange. So using any kind of crypto exchange, such as Coinbase or Binance, you will be able to stake your money. And you can see in the earn section that if you go into your earn section, you can simply go into ETH 2.0, and you can see in Binance staking you have ETH 2.0 where you have passive earnings, and if you scroll down over here you can stake ETH, get the rewards distribution, and then later on redeem your Ethereum. Now the problem with this is that often in Ethereum 2.0 staking, your money can get locked in a contract for a long amount of time. So if you just click on stake now over here, and below that you will see distribute, then you will have your amount limit, then you have your total personal staking quota. Once your Ethereum is staked, it will be locked during the first phase of Ethereum 2.0, and during this period you cannot redeem your Ethereum. So for example, that if you staked Ethereum when it was at $50, that's just a sample. This is just an example that I'm giving. It's not the actual price of Ethereum. Let's say you staked it at $50 and suddenly the market is crashing and now the price of Ethereum is $25. That means that you lost half of the value of your Ethereum simply because you were not able to sell it on time because it was locked in the ETH 2.0 staking. So you will only be able to redeem your staked Ethereum once the first phase is complete, which could even take up to like 2 years. And then you can swap your Binance Ethereum, which would be the yield that you get, to normal Ethereum after the completion of the first phase. So you will be basically withheld in this contract where you will not be able to redeem your money. So you can see you have the staking date, then you also have the value date, the interest distribution date, and then the redemption date. So until you get your redemption date, it is not going to be any value of you, however much money that you are getting, because you're not going to be certain about the value of Ethereum. If the value of Ethereum drops during the time that you held it in Ethereum 2.0 staking, it could yield a loss. However, if the value of Ethereum remains rather constant, so even if it doesn't go up very much or even if it doesn't fall down too much, then you would be actually earning quite a bit of money. So you can see that this is going to also give you a predicted APR. The predicted yield that you're getting is 5.20%, and you can see the cumulative yield and the yield last day over here for your specific staking amount. Now, another way that you can earn is simply by going into earn, and if you want to stake money, then you can simply go into the staking section on Binance, and then you can see you have multiple different locked staking, but locked staking options are currently not available for Ethereum. So you can see that these are the coins or tokens that are available for locked staking. And locked staking actually allows you to stake money for a shorter amount of time. Instead of having to invest for a super long period, you can choose the amount of days you want to lock your money into the specific token or coin. And it is not as long-term as Ethereum staking, which could be a lot more helpful for people that are just starting out. So if you are looking to stake your Ethereum, but it feels like it's going to be too long term, you can always change Ethereum or swap Ethereum for another token and stake that token in locked staking. Then you also have DeFi staking. Now, DeFi staking is available for Ethereum over here. And the estimated APR for DeFi staking is 4.6%. You also have the lock duration date. You can choose a flexible lock or a specific number of days and the minimum amount that is required for you to be able to stake. Now, with DeFi staking, you also have risk involved. So this is just going to be a way for you to provide liquidity to the Binance platform. So you're actually going to be providing your finances for smart contracts for people to build on their blockchains, and this will give you yields from that specific blockchain. Now, if you get a loss, you can, get quite a bit of losses with this kind of staking method because it also has risks involved. Now, there is another way that you can earn money, which is DeFi yield. So if you go into farming yields over here, you can see that with farming yields, if you just go into protected farming, it's going to be a lot less risky. And if you go into auto invest with Binance Earn, you can invest Ethereum for 7 days upward to 3 years, and you will have spot price. You will be able to create a specific customized plan, and this auto investment plan can be a lot simpler for most people to use. Now, other than these basic staking methods and basic yield farming, you can also go onto a platform like Lido and provide liquidity for staked assets, and just click on stake now, and you can click on stake over here, and you can select Ethereum, and you can see over here that this is going to be a lot flexible, and you will get ST-ETH, and then you can later on redeem this into your native currency of Ethereum. So you will be able to see the total staked amount on Lido. Lido is the market leader in this type of staking. So if you want to provide liquidity for these staking platforms, this is a great way for you to do so. Now, I would usually recommend go for auto investment or go for yield farming. So just go into earnings and just simply go into Binance Earn, go into farming, and once you go into farming, simply go into high yield or auto invest because you're going to be able to make a safe investment. Now, with a lot of the other staking methods, you can also leverage money, and whenever you are leveraging money, you are adding risk to your yield. So that is something to keep in mind as a beginner. You don't want to leverage too much because leveraging money can often let you with losing your initial investments as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now better able to understand Ethereum staking on Binance and on other platforms as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.